Hello and welcome to this video on English for customer service. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of effective communication with clients and customers and how to achieve it. The world of customer service is a challenging one. It requires excellent communication skills, patience, and empathy. To succeed in this field, it is essential to understand the needs of your clients and customers and communicate with them in a way that is clear and concise. So, let's get started. Part 1: The importance of effective communication in customer service. Effective communication is the key to success in customer service. It enables you to build a strong relationship with your clients and customers, gain their trust, and resolve their issues in a timely and efficient manner. Some of the reasons why effective communication is important in customer service. 1. Builds trust. When you communicate effectively with your clients and customers, they are more likely to trust you. Trust is essential in building a strong relationship with your clients and customers. 2. Resolves issues. Effective communication helps in resolving issues quickly and efficiently. When you listen to your clients and customers and respond to their concerns promptly, it shows that you value their time and effort. 3. Enhances customer satisfaction. Good communication leads to higher customer satisfaction. When your clients and customers feel that they are being heard and their issues are being addressed, they are more likely to be satisfied with your service. 4. Builds brand loyalty. When you communicate effectively with your clients and customers, you create a positive impression of your brand. This, in turn, leads to brand loyalty and repeat business. Part 2: How to communicate effectively with clients and customers. Now that we understand the importance of effective communication, let's discuss some tips on how to achieve it. 1. Use simple language. When communicating with clients and customers, it is important to use simple language that is easy to understand. Avoid using technical jargon or complex terms that may confuse them. 2. Active listening. Active listening is the key to effective communication. It involves paying attention to what your clients and customers are saying and responding in a way that shows you understand their concerns. 3. Be empathetic. Empathy is essential in customer service. When your clients and customers feel that you understand their situation and are genuinely interested in helping them, it builds trust and enhances their satisfaction. 4. Be patient. Dealing with clients and customers can be challenging, especially when they are upset or angry. It is important to remain calm, patient, and professional when responding to their concerns. 5. Use positive language. Using positive language can help in diffusing tense situations and creating a positive atmosphere. Avoid using negative language or blaming the client or customer for the issue. 6. Follow up. Following up with your clients and customers after resolving their issue shows that you value their business and are interested in their satisfaction. Conclusion. In conclusion, effective communication is essential in customer service. It helps in building trust, resolving issues, enhancing customer satisfaction, and building brand loyalty. By using simple language, active listening, empathy, patience, positive language, and follow-up, you can communicate effectively with your clients and customers and succeed in the challenging world of customer service. Thank you for watching this video on English for customer service. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below.